Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Soulmask. So here follow the fixes. First fix, steps to fix sound problem in Soulmask. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then click on sound, scroll down and under advanced option, click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound tab. From the drop down, first select off option and then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, hit apply, OK, and then go ahead launch the game and check if your sound or audio problem is fixed or not in Soulmask game. Fix 2, make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Soulmask game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. Now if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Go to services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Just untick all these three options, then hit on apply and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. And the last solution is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio problem or sound or audio issues in the Soulmask game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.